Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'll show you how to fix latency issues in BandLab on your iPhone so you can record and play without delays. First step 1 is to open the BandLab application. Now go to the settings. You can go to open your project first of all and go to the settings and choose the audio settings. Here and turn on low latency mode. This will reduce the delay between when you play or sing and what you hear. Step 2 is to adjust the buffer size. Still in the audio setting, lower the buffer size. Smaller buffers reduces the latency but may use more CPU. Test different settings until you get minimal delay without glitches. Now step 3 is use the wired earphones. Latency can be worse with Bluetooth headphones. Use wired earphones or earphone to get faster audio response while recording. Step 4 is to close the background application. Make sure no heavy apps are running in your background. You can simply close the application which are running in the background. And that's it. Your BandLab on iPhone should now have minimal latency. Like, share and hit the bell for more music tips, and I'll see you in the next one.